10 cruise hacks for new and experienced cruisers. Starting up with number one, and that
Uno.
is back up your documents.
Oh,
When
yeah.
you're going on a cruise, make a copy, a photocopy, or a photograph of the passports of everybody in your family that's traveling on your cruise. That way, when you get to a port, you can put your actual passports or your photocopies in the safe on the ship. So if something should go wrong, you've got something with you with all your information and something on the ship. So there's long been a debate over whether you should take your passports with you when you go into a port of call, or if you should lock them up in the safe. But this way, you have at least a copy, if not the actual document, in
Mm-hmm.
one of the two places. So that's tip or hack number one. Hack number two:
Dos.
stay connected. This is an important tip. It gives peace of mind to people back home. Share the cruise line's ship to shore phone number with a family member. You can get that by looking in the facts or looking in the basic information or calling your cruise line. If you're going to go sail on Carnival, like we're about to in a few weeks, we'll contact a family member, somebody, and just at least one person will have that phone number. They can call the 800 number if they need to get a hold of us for some sort of emergency. Typically, it's not needed, but if something should go on, there's a little bit of peace of mind there. So we recommend that. So, cruise hack number three: brag a little. Let the cruise line know what you're celebrating.
Woohoo.
Tell them either before the cruise on the check in or tell them in person. Don't be shy about letting them know if you're celebrating an anniversary or birthday, graduation, or some other special event, because a lot of these cruise lines are going to do something special to recognize that.
They want to help you celebrate.
That's right. And we're not about to stop them.
That's right. We want to encourage celebration.
That's
Woohoo.
right. Woohoo indeed. Cruise hack number four: take a photo.
That's right.
Take a picture of your parking spot in the terminal garage or parking lot. You're going to be off on a cruise for maybe a week, maybe longer. And by the time you get back, the last thing that's going to be on your mind is what level were you on? What were you parked near? Take a photo of your car with some sort of landmarks like the pillars or the background in the parking garage or parking lot so you can have an idea of where your car was. Don't go by, oh, I was parked next to that big funky purple Ford truck, because that big funky purple truck may be
Ford
gone
truck.
before you get back.
Yeah.
So yeah, take it where it has like maybe the level number or section number on a pillar in the background, and you can also see your car.
That's brilliant,
So
by the way.
that's something that I'll do, like if I'm in a big airport or somewhere like that too. But that can come in really handy, especially when you're off on a cruise, and the last thing you're going to be thinking about is, where's my car?
That's brilliant.
You'll want to know that when you get back.
Yeah.
So that's cruise hack number four. Cruise hack number five: take another photo.
Wow.
This is for when you actually get on board the ship. When you're wandering around the ship, you may find that it's difficult to remember exactly where your room is, but what can help is to take a photo of the general area or areas leading up to your room. You may remember that you're on deck 7, but do you know what corner you are on? What elevator you're near? Do you know which direction to go when you get off the elevator? So taking a photo or two can really help you to find your room.
Yeah, that is also a brilliant idea.
Yeah,
That
so
has come in handy
it is.
when I get lost.
Yes, yes, or I get lost. So that's tip or hack number 5. Number 6: have a bag plan. This is very important both for the beginning of your cruise and the end of your cruise. You want to have a special bag, whether it's a backpack or a small
Hmm.
carry-on bag, to have the essentials you'll need before your room is ready and your checked baggage makes it to your room.
Exactly.
Have your medication, any things that you might
Change of
need.
clothing if you want to go swimming.
Right, sunscreen lotion, stuff like that, and also important documents that you don't want to check, like your passport. You're going to need to check in.
Right.
That bag will also come in handy on the last day of your cruise, because the night before your last day, typically you're leaving your bags out in the hall. It's something, if you
Yeah.
haven't cruised before, it might be a foreign concept, but you put your big checked bags out in the hall, and they take them down to lower deck to get ready to take them off the ship through customs in the morning, and you'll need a change of clothes and toothpaste and stuff you'll need for the night and stuff to carry off with you in the morning. That can go back in your carry-on bag that
You
you
don't
took
want
with
to
you on
be
the way.
that couple wearing their pajamas off the boat,
That's right.
off the ship, I mean.
That's right. You don't want to do that. So that's hack number 6. Hack number 7, do the math. I know you don't like to do math, but if you're thinking about purchasing a package like a drink package, take a moment. There's a reason why they're promoting them. For some people, they're a great deal. For other people, it may not be so great a deal. Stop and think, if you're getting a drink package, for example, how many drinks do you expect to drink in a day? And figure out, also other people in your party, how many drinks you're going to have. And if you figure you're only going to have like, oh, I'm going to probably have 3 Miller Lights, and that's it. Well, why pay, $80 a day for a drink package if all you're going to have is,
Or three,
3 Miller Lights, 3 beers,
or
and
three daiquiris.
yeah, you got to kind of figure it out, and you got to kind of estimate what the drinks are going to cost on board. They're going to, cost a little bit more than you might pay at a local bar, but they're not. 3 aren't going to cost you $80.
Or if you're going to have like 5 coffee drinks.
You're getting stuck in the math now. So do the math. Decide if those packages are really a great deal. They can be a great deal for you. They can also not be so great of a deal. Hack
Yes.
number 8. Spoil yourself. Spoil yourself by ordering in-room decorations, gifts, and treats for your cruise. A lot of people don't know this, at least on their first cruise. You can actually go and you can order things to put in your room, decorations to celebrate a special occasion in your room,
Anniversary, birthday, first cruise.
all that. Or you can order treats, drinks, little gifts, souvenirs to have in your room for yourself or to surprise somebody that's traveling with you. That's hack number 8. Hack number 9. Hack number 9 is speak up.
Speak up.
If there's something that you need, something that you want, don't hesitate to speak up. Talk to the maitre d', talk to your room steward, talk to guest services. Let them know if there's something they could do to help make your cruise a little better. Maybe a different table assignment in the dining room.
We'd like a window seat, please.
I like how you're illustrating all these. Or maybe there's a special, you need an extension cord for your room, or you're just not sure what to do, how to find something on board, how to book an excursion.
I don't like
Go
broccoli.
and ask. Go and ask. And she doesn't like broccoli, which means nothing to do with anything we're talking about here. So that's number 9. Hack number 9. Our last hack, number 10, is be a winner.
Woohoo!
You can participate in game shows, trivias, and other types of activities where you can actually win a prize. You can win a ship on a stick, or some. I've even seen prizes as big as a free cruise given away.
Ship on a stick is right there.
Yeah, but I just said free cruise. I think that's a
Oh.
pretty big deal. So anyway, you could get the ship on a stick, get souvenirs, all kinds of things. I know you also got a bottle of champagne on one cruise just for showing up early to being the first one there for a show. So those are our 10 cruise hacks for new and experienced travelers. If you enjoyed that information, be sure to hit the thumbs up button and give us a like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe.